Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD work from home job and the school teacher as well as assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor recruitment notification from one of the government university, and you may apply from all over the India. You belongs to any state, then you may apply for these positions, guys. And here the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there. And eligibility is only PG, also few departments are there, with or without UG Senate. Okay, the candidates can able to apply for this one. And coming to the assistant professor, it is a level 10 category. So the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phone, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWYNIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is a website, guys, and the university name is Aligarh Muslim University from UP. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification regarding the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies, guys. So online applications are invited from Indian nationals, including the overseas citizen of India, for recruitment to the following teaching positions. The online application starts from, the online application closes on 19th Jan 2022. And the last date for the submission of hard copy is 3rd Feb 2022. And the hard copy received after 3rd Feb will not be entertained and will be rejected. Okay. So the university is not at all responsible for the postal delays. And coming to the professor, it is academic level 14 and the associate professor academic level 13, and for the assistant professor academic level 10, that means 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So coming to the huge number of departments are there, guys. So we'll see one by one for the professor, associate as well as assistant professor. So coming to the first one, the faculties of arts, social sciences, theology, life sciences or the sciences. So here the professor in the department of Sanskrit, Arabic, Hindi, history, Urdu, social work, biochemistry, and eligibility, you know that for the professor definitely PhD is mandatory. Next, while coming to the associate professor, English, psychology, Sanskrit, Shia theology and chemistry and zoology. Okay, so for the associate professor also the PhD is required, and for the department of education also it is there, and the department of fine arts. Okay, and coming to the assistant professor for the center for adult and continuing education, eligibility 55% in the master's degree, MA in education or MA lifelong education or MA or MSc in the development extension. Okay, and apart from this one, the candidate must have the UG Senate or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Next one is the assistant professor in fine arts, women's college. So 55% in your post graduation in the particular discipline, and along with that one UGC or the CSI or NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Next one is assistant professor in the department of Sunni theology as well as the home science. And same, the eligibility criteria is same, master's degree with 55% of marks, and UGC NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. Coming to the faculty of engineering, associate professor required in the department of applied chemistry as well as applied physics. So PhD is mandatory for this one. And associate professor also required in the department of mechanical engineering as well as the petroleum studies. So for this one also the PhD is mandatory. Next one is assistant professor in costume designing and dressmaking, Women's Polytechnic. And the qualification required is first class bachelor's degree in fashion or garment technology, preferably from National Institute of Fashion Technology, or a master's degree in any subject with first class diploma in costume design and the dressmaking or the garment technology. Next, assistant professor in civil engineering and electrical engineering, electronics engineering, chemical engineering and electronics engineering, as well as computer engineering in Women's Polytechnic College. So coming to these positions, assistant professor, only post graduation is enough. Okay, no need of GATE or the UG Senate qualification, just BTech as well as the MTech. Okay, And assistant professor in the Department of Applied Mathematics and Mathematics, Science and Humanities section, University Polytechnic, Physics. Okay. So for this one, PG with 50% of marks and the national eligibility test qualification or the state eligibility test qualification must be there. And coming to the faculty of medicine, anyhow, my subscribers are not belongs to the faculty of medicine. So I will just quickly go through this one. Department of Surgery and the Forensic Medicine. So I got few messages to find out the vacancies for the forensic department. So here the forensic medicine vacancy is there, and the endocrinology is there, as well as Department of Pathology as associate professor required, and the cardiotherapy surgery, okay, and assistant professor in cardiothoracic surgery, fine, pediatric surgery, fine. So few things are there, and yeah guys, you may check down. Physiology department is there, biochemistry is there, forensic medicine is there, okay, pediatrics and the pathology is there, microbiology is also there, fine, anesthesia and the radio diagnosis. So you may go through this one, guys. Got it? And so anyhow, these are the different departmental vacancies, guys. And the non-refundable processing fee of application form is 500 rupees and is to be paid only in online mode at the CAREERS portal. However, the PWD candidates are exempted from the payment of the application fee. And after successful submission of the online application form, the applicant must take the printout of the PDF of the application form on A4 size paper and append his or her signature and paste front-facing recent passport size photograph at the designated place on the application form and attach the self-attested copies of all relevant documents including the receipt of processing fee wherever applicable with the application form. Okay, and you need to send the application form by post, superscribing on that one the top left side of the cover, post applied for, an advertisement number as well as its date also to the selection committee section, teaching office of the register, Aligarh Muslim University. Pin code is also given. And what are the different self-attested copies you need to attach to your online application form, hard copy? All these things are also mentioned. Fine. Anyhow, these are the details, guys, and I will provide this PDF link as well as the online application link. That means you need to click on this registration actually. So all these links I will provide in the description box of this video. So please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section of this video. And I will definitely come up in the next video, which is matching up with your profiles. Okay, so for that one, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you and all the best. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so General Paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay. If you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want